I got myself a new iron. Let's unbox it together. So we have this iron shoe, which is used for putting on the iron while ironing to avoid burning your clothes. And it comes separately. It came separately for mine. I don't know if others it comes with the iron, but mine came separately, and here it is. And this is how it looks. It has a non-metal and non-stick layer on top of it to avoid the clothes from burning or sticking to the iron. That is the iron shoe for the shoe for the iron. Then we're going to open up our box to see what we have inside. I had to collect myself a lot to buy this one, and it took me a very long time because it's a bit expensive, but finally I got it. And here we have, that's a Silver Star company. Yeah, and then we have, excuse me, I am a Swahili lady, so I'm doing my best to speak English. That is a place where the iron is placed while ironing. After ironing, you put your iron on top of that. And then this is the container for water, because the iron is a steam iron. It can work both steam and dry. So that one is for water. You fill it with water, and then as you iron, you press and the steam comes out. And there are also other things inside of it. That's like a tube or pipe for the water to go from that bottle to the iron. And then we have other appliances. We'll see on the next video on how to assemble them. And then we have now the iron. It's heavy. It's kind of heavy, like compared to other irons, it's really, really heavy. So you should prepare yourself, do some exercises to carry the iron because it's heavy. We have you see the little holes for the steam, and then we have the control buttons. That's a steam control and other buttons. So I'm gonna show you a close-up, and this is how it looks. That's a heat control panel. Here it's a steam button where you press and the steam comes out. And then we have the other side. We have, that's where the pipe, you open that and then you assemble the pipe, and then the water comes from that bottle to the iron through that hole. You open it, and when you don't want it to be a steam iron, you just close it and use it as a dry iron. That's the model of the iron for anyone who wants to buy the same. This is how it looks. It's really heavy, but it's really nice. That's the button for the on and off. It is really, really nice, and that's why I bought it. And it's a bit expensive, but very, very effective. And I cannot wait to use it. This is the bottle of water, like that's where the minimum place where the water should reach if it ever reduces.